Do you remember a time when trades felt simple and straightforward? Today, the landscape has drastically changed. The trades are evolving rapidly, driven by technology, green energy, and digital systems. Tools have become smarter and lighter. Laser measuring devices save hours of work. Cordless power tools deliver more power with less hassle. Technology enhances skills instead of replacing them. Digital systems are also revolutionizing the trades. Project management software streamlines tracking progress and budgets. Safety checklists move from paper to tablets, and digital blueprints are instantly shared. For younger workers, this tech-savvy shift feels natural, making work more efficient. This blend of technology and hands-on skills attracts a new generation. Despite innovations, the human element remains essential. Advanced tools can measure and survey, but skill, creativity, and problem-solving are irreplaceable. Looking ahead, the future is bright. If you're considering a career in trades, now is the perfect time. No matter your interests, hands-on work, technology, or green energy, there's a place for you.